Have you ever noticed how many pieces in Piano Marvel are written by Aaron Garner? Or why all of his songs are free to print even if you have a free account? Or maybe you've been to a piano recital and realized half of the pieces in the lineup were written by Aaron Garner and thought, who is this Aaron Garner guy? It all started when a baby was born in 1974 to an organist mother who had 9 kids and a vision to turn them into an orchestra. Aaron was assigned the violin, but he wasn't very good and he hated practicing. His older brother's instrument seemed to call to him though, and he found himself learning the piano on his own. Turns out, he was pretty good, so he made the switch and fell in love with both performing and writing music. During many years of earning his piano performance and pedagogy degrees, he taught his own piano students. But he noticed a problem. Most music is written to sound good, but without the ease of learning in mind. He wanted to give his students pieces that were easy to learn, but impressive and fun to play. Pieces that they would love. And it worked. His songs were a hit, so he kept writing them. When he eventually created Piano Marvel, he freely shared his pieces with the growing Piano Marvel community. He continues to write new music regularly, and now every person on this app has probably played one of his pieces, if not many, many more. In the Aaron Garner Challenge, you'll find hundreds of fun pieces that are easy to learn, but impressive enough to knock the socks right off your friend, your teacher, or your mom. Good luck and have fun. And let us know what you think of this and every challenge. We love to hear what you want to see more of.